Ochi. Look. Happy people, man. Eh? Yep. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. It's a beautiful thing, man. It's beautiful. I had to just call you and say Happy New Year when it comes. I know I'm calling you early. I'm calling you early, but you're my brother, and I just had to just make sure, you know what I mean? Hey. Yes. That's right. Of course, it'll never change. Hey, listen, there's so many people out here for you to baptize. Okay, just for you, brother, I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna see a little bit of the baptism.
People, so this is Jamaica. See how beautiful it is with the people them. Mobay right now #1 because Harmony Park bring out the people them nicely. Clean, security, music tonight, free, and food from Fireside. Nice. Fireside are #1 around here, so ice cream, they have a house over there, so. I saw them are living in Jamaica, but when them keep telling say Mobay are the worst, never listen to people, never listen to YouTube. Them say Mobay, hey, them not say Mobay are the worst place, eh? What you say? You see then? It's okay, right? Cause no way in Jamaica look this beautiful now with people, right? No way. But no look like this with the beautiful people then. Here black people, no white people are there. It's not so pretty. Yeah man. But that beach they're tired out. Near Duns River Park. Yeah, St. Anne's. Yeah. So you like St. Anne's better? Yeah, but Mobay right now I run the thing. The biggest mall, yeah, Mobay. Biggest shopping mall. You can ride your bike to everything. Nice fisherman place. The mall is the biggest mall in Jamaica for shopping. The airport is 10 minutes away from and then 1 hour away from Negril, which is the greatest beach in the world. 1 hour away. And then it's 1 hour away from Ochi. So 1 hour away from Negril, 1 hour away from Ochi, right now the middle. Right now the middle. Well, I travel all Jamaica. I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica Good Life. So I see everything. But when you talk about infrastructure, when you talk about if light go off, it come back here quicker. A lot of things. You talk about the medical center that is close by, more private. So if a return resident gets sick, them can be seen right away. That's what I say. And the fact that this is so much security here, so in the morning 9 o'clock you come park a car for 200. Yes, exactly. Yes. So this is, yeah, because you see returning residents want safety, and this is safe, and you can park. Most places are making on a parking and on a safety. You see, so it's all about safety and still clean. Hellshire or Kingston, no. And Portland is lovely. I love Portland, love it. But if you do business, you can do business at Portland. If you want everything. You see Mobay have the water supply right in the Mobay. Electric grid right here, so. Airplane right here, so. If you have to come in quick and leave quick, boom. You see me? You see when you have a storm, no roadblock. Like that. What I say is, you see Portland, make a river come down. Yeah. If we're in front, oh, please, stay away. Okay, flood. Alright. So, flood. Okay, so a flooding. It's a flood zone. Fairview. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, it flood out. It's alright. It'll work. But I like the park. This attract me now. Because you see in the morning I can ride my bike and come here. And anywhere in Jamaica you can ride your bike and feel safe. And that is not 18 million and pay a sign for. 18 million and pay for this sign? You mean right at the airport where them say, I want to ride. 60 million for a sign. A thief them a lie. Several months. I know it was dangerous here. So you're from Mobay? I sent time she come from a Tabo Sentan. Because Sentan town very little. Ochi, Brownstone, yeah. Like if more enough things you can do here business wise, you see? So you can do business, flying, beach, you see me, I say the road, and but the crime high, we know so the crime is normal. Yeah. philosophy is not about you have to protect the property, but mind your business. Point A to point B. Yeah, yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. I stay in a similar neighborhood where 5 in the morning the elders are walking and going out. So yeah, there's different, you know, yeah, there's different things, different places. People can't